This is a 2010 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.4-liter V8. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, a passenger side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, full power accessories, and this vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Sanders Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1135 Lejeune Boulevard in Jacksonville.